Squirrels, those cute furry little critters that scurry around our neighborhoods. Do you ever wonder how they fit in with the rest of our local flora and fauna? In today's Species Spotlight, we're going to delve into the fascinating life history of our local squirrel populations and see just how important they are to our local ecosystems. You just might be surprised. There are three types of squirrel that can be found in our area. The largest is the fox squirrel, weighing up to 2 pounds. They have a reddish, rusty cast to their fur. The gray squirrel is a little bit smaller, weighing about 1¼ pounds, and comes in several different color forms. There's the traditional gray, but there's also melanistic or black, and leucistic or white. And then finally, the flying squirrel, weighing only a couple of ounces, has an extra flap in its skin to allow gliding in between tree branches in our forests. Squirrels are in the order Rodentia, which are also known as gnawing animals. They're close cousins to beaver, muskrat, and chipmunk, and this becomes abundantly clear when we look at their skull anatomy. They have very enlarged incisors with an orange enamel covering it. This keeps their teeth strong and sharp as they gnaw away at woody plant vegetation. A squirrel's diet consists mainly of plant material, such as terminal buds or acorns and walnuts, like this black walnut. However, they have been observed raiding bird nests for an occasional protein-rich snack. In the fall, we often see squirrels busily burying seeds like acorns, hickory nuts, and walnuts. This is known as caching, or food storage. It's an important adaptation that squirrels have taken on for the colder winter months when food is really scarce in our ecosystems. A squirrel will often use its nose to sniff out these storage sites, and if they forget, come springtime, those nuts have a chance to germinate and sprout into trees that we see growing in our forest preserves. Another seasonal adaptation that squirrels have adopted to stay active during the colder winter months here includes the construction of a nest, or a dray.
Keep going.
Drays are complex structures framed with sticks and twigs and lined with lichen, moss, and leaves to keep squirrels extra warm during the colder winter months here. During extreme colder temperatures, squirrels may go through a period of inactivity known as torpor. It's not as extreme as hibernation, but it allows them to conserve essential resources when the going is too tough out in our winter months. Squirrels play a really important part in a functioning food web. They're essential food sources for animals like owls, foxes, and coyotes. Here we have some remnant scat left over from a coyote leaving his mark on the trail, and we can see that it is loaded with gray fur. This very well could be a lowly gray tree squirrel that met his demise. As we've seen from this species spotlight, there's a lot more to squirrels than most people give them credit for. From a seed dispersal mechanism to an important part of a healthy food web, squirrels serve an essential role in a healthy woodland community.